Yeah, so a couple things that we recommend for the Project M. Since your truck bed isn't sealed, I would recommend something like this Bedrug. This helps kind of seal things up, keep things cushy and insulated. You can also go through and seal your bed. The other thing we recommend is a tailgate gasket, right? The tailgate gasket will help limit dust coming in through the tailgate. And you can look up your exact truck, and there's kits to be able to do that kind of thing. So definitely those are good ideas to just help mitigate dust that comes in naturally through the truck bed.
So the very first step I'm taking on building our Project M experience here is a tailgate seal. It's going to keep dust out, it's going to keep moisture out, and it's going to make a nice tight seal along the tailgate and the bed of the truck. I've checked the notes here for any links to these products I found. ESI fits pretty much all trucks. It comes with a nice long seal we're going to use along the bed of the truck. Then it comes with a shorter piece of a thicker seal that we're going to fill in the gaps where needed. The tape can be repositioned during the install until you're done, and then you apply firm pressure and it will stick forever, apparently. So you measure twice and cut once. So the final step with this tailgate seal is to look for areas where there's a gap and use the larger seal with the larger bulb seal on the tape to fill in those gaps, usually at the corners and at the top. Nice. Now we have a really good seal to keep out the moisture and the dust from our Project M. And now it's time for a bed rug. I got the truck bed all ready to go here. Let's check out the bed rug and what it's like to install that. It's the official unboxing of the bed rug. Oh, comes with accessories. However, it did not come with this extra special secret. If you have a spray-in bed liner, you need the extra adhesive Velcro tabs because the stuff that comes with the bed rug, I guess, doesn't necessarily stick to the spray-on liner. So we're gonna check that out and see how it all fits together nice and snug, like a bed rug. This promoter to get the adhesive to work really well with your spray and bed liner, but it dries really quickly, so no huffing. Well, here's another little tip for you. Dab on the adhesive promoter rather than wiping it, because the little pads tend to fall apart. So dab it on instead of trying to wipe it on, because they don't give you many of these little pads. So I've read that you can install your bed rug before or after you get your M installed, but they do run the electric into the bed of the truck, so we're gonna have to cut a little hole through the bed rug to get those wires up and out from behind the bed rug. These are the wires that are installed at the factory when you opt for the lithium battery pack. I also want to utilize our cargo cleats here, so I'm gonna need to cut a little slit in the bed rug and get that all snug as a bug and sticking through after it's installed, like I've done in the front. Nice. A couple clean cuts there, and we have access to the cleats with some nice tidy wiring. And that, sports fans, is installation of the bed rug and tailgate seal on a Dodge Ram 2500 for the Project M. I definitely recommend both, and if you're going to go that route, do opt for the full bed rug. Gives you a little more insulation on the tailgate and another seal, another layer of the tailgate gap there. Enjoy the ride! You do need that you do need, yeah. So I've heard you can install the bed